again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of the NAKOOS brand, NAKOOS, their silicone soldering and repair mat, heat resistant pad with a ruler and two corner magnetic areas. We're going to show that. On the base of this unit, there is a calibrated ruler area, and it has inches and centimeters and millimeters. And that's really nice so that you can measure wires. A lot of times you do 2 or 3 pairs or 2 or 3 wires at a time, and now you can measure it really quickly without taking a tape measure. I really like that. In the center here is the thickest of the area, and that has the highest temperature resistance on here. We'll go 932 degrees Fahrenheit or 501 degrees Celsius. So allowing a hot soldering iron on here without doing any damage to it. Now it has some other unique features on here we're going to show. It has a little storage bin area where you can put your tools or components, and then each one of these corners has a little magnetic piece built into it, so you could add things like screws. And here I'm going to put some components in there because they have metal in them also. So you notice that it is holding them in place. They're not going anywhere. So that's a nice feature if you got some components that you don't want them to fall when you're getting ready to solder it. Now it also has this little memory function right here, which are little openings that have numbers assigned to them. So if you're doing components and you want to label the components, you can lay them in there. That's kind of unique also. On the top here, there are some little holes, and you could put your components in those holes like that, and then that way you can stand 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Before you're doing a soldering job, you want to have them lined up. Now the size of this soldering mat is nice and large. It's about 15.7 by 11.4, and the workspace is about 15 by 9 inches, ideal for both small and large objects. And I mentioned this high temperature silicone material. And the silicone material not only is high temperature, but it's very easy to clean, it's durable, and anti-slip. This will not move on your soldering workstation. So here I have it all set up on my soldering station here, where I can do the soldering and work on the components, hold my tools, hold screws, hold components that are vertically or in the magnetic base. This is the high temperature area. That's where I'll be doing any soldering or any repairs. So it works nice, helps you get all organized and get things all ready for your work. And it's high temperature. I don't have to worry about the soldering irons affecting it in any way because it's silicone and it's non-slip. So what do I think about the NAKOOS brand soldering silicone pad? Nice product. Nice to be able to use the calibrated features on the bottom for wire, and the high temperature area to hold tools, nuts and bolts, and components. Very nice, very simple, but very effective. I don't have to worry about heat from those soldering irons because this is high temperature silicone. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you'll alert new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helped you with all your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.